You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Anyone who knows me knows that the thought of heat on my hair just makes me cringe. I love the look of straight hair, I just don't want the process. So I have just the trick for that.
Tell you off, I'm trying to flaunt you. I'm obsessed with you, baby, I want you. Let them watch you, tell them they can tune in, show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city and all.
The wig that is featured in today's video is from XrsBeauty, and they have a lot of great products for us natural girls. This is their new clear invisible lace wig, and it gives you that silk press that you always wanted without the hassle or the heat damage, okay? The hairline is phenomenal. It's pre-plucked and it looks so realistic. The clear lace is undetectable, making it look like the hair grew right out of your scalp. Let me show you the lace options so that you can get a clear view of the difference between the different types of lace. The first is the brown lace, which is good for darker skinned girls like myself, but it still can be seen somewhat when you're wearing a wig. The regular transparent lace is pretty common. It's a pretty good type of lace and can be somewhat realistic. However, it can be thicker. Saving the best for last is the new clear lace. Y'all, tell me what you think. Right? This lace is quite invisible. As you can see, the new clear lace gives you a very transparent finish and melts into your skin perfectly. So now let's get into the construction of this unit. You have your two combs at the top, one comb in the middle. You have one comb at the back. You have your adjustable straps, as well as adjustable straps on the sides. You have your mesh cap here, and then you have your HD lace, which is a 13x6. Let me try on the unit before I get started with this install. Look at how amazing this unit looks. The company has done the majority of the work for you with this hairline. I'm so impressed. Even the design of the hairline. For those of us who have those lower hairlines, this unit is going to be perfect for you. My wig is in 20 inches, which is about the length of your waist, but there are various lengths that you can choose from on the site based on your desired look for any time of year. It has a density of 200%, which is quite thick compared to the other units, and it is in color 1B. Now, because the lace is so thin, you're going to need to use the ball cap method just to make sure that the wig is undetectable because you don't want it peeking through. You want it to look as natural as possible. Now, let me get started on the ball cap method. For this, I'm going to be using my bed head spray, and I'm just going to spray around my hairline. I'm going to press my wig cap down, and then I'm going to use my hair dryer on the cool setting just to let it get secured. And when it's done, I'm going to cut around my hairline to get rid of the excess wig cap. So now I'm going to straighten the unit to get rid of any crimps or wrinkles that may have occurred during packaging. install, I'm going to be using the bedhead spray, which makes for a very easy install. After applying the bedhead spray, I'll apply the lace and then blow dry it a bit on the cool setting while laying it down with my rat tail comb. I'm going to do this one section at a time, and when a section has dried, I'm going to cut off the excess lace. Lace laid, I'm going to now go in with my contouring powder to make sure that everything blends well. Now I'm going to go in and define the part just a bit more with my concealer and my angle brush.
Little.
Now let me just lay down my edges with my honey almond styling foamer.
Ryan Little.
And voila, these are the finished results. I am loving this clear lace. It definitely gives you that natural look. I am getting my silk press without the hassle, without the work, without the heat damage. What more can any girl ask for?
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big ticker. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya. Tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look at you.
I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the links in my description box. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.
Shot it from the roof.